Ever wondered if you should wet your brush before painting? The answer isn't as simple as you think. It depends on the medium you're using. Let's break it down. Watercolor works best when your brush is wet. If you want sharp, dry brush textures, keep your brush dry, but too much water can cause colors to bleed too much. A wet brush is essential for activating pigments and creating smooth gradients and soft blends. Gouache is all about balance. You can use water, but too much can ruin the effect. If you want rich, opaque coverage, avoid adding too much water. It can make your strokes look streaky. A little water helps reactivate dried gouache and creates soft, watercolor-like effects. For acrylic painting, wetting your brush can help in certain situations but not always. If you want bold opaque strokes, keep your brush dry. Too much water can make the paint too thin and transparent. A damp brush helps with blending and smoother strokes. It also prevents thick paint from dragging across the canvas. So, should you wet your brush before painting? It depends. For acrylic, sometimes. For gouache, balance is key. For watercolor, almost always.